for you, but my job today is just to let you know how much we appreciate the support, how much we appreciate the teamwork that went into this facility. And when you see and you start meeting some of our nursing students, some of our visual care students, you'll be impressed. We have 369 nursing students this semester. Those are massive numbers that are going to supply this workforce. Now I want to tell you a little bit more about this building. We really appreciate the support that the community gave us for approving our 2008 bond program. As we were preparing for the bond program, we realized we needed to do some things differently with our facilities, and you'll see science buildings being built. You've seen our transportation center, other campuses have student success centers, but we knew the allied health facility at this campus and our other campuses needed expansion, and the community saw that with us also. So I thank you for seeing that and supporting us. Now let me tell you about this facility. It is going to house our new dental assisting program. It has our visual care program. We have the only ophthalmology technology program in Texas, and it's also one of only 10 in the country. We also have simulation centers that are going to be amazing to you. They have mannequins in them. They have the male, we have a female who's coming, babies, young adults, and so our students can really see what it takes in real life experiences. Then they get the feedback. We were just talking with a nursing student as she gives CPR, never knowing, are you pushing hard enough? Are you closing, the gap enough? And she's getting that feedback now before she's working on a real patient, and just how incredible that experience is. We have x-ray labs and we have laboratories. And all of these facilities, all of these labs are designed to help support what's happening in the field of health sciences. And we know that the jobs in health sciences are in high demand. In the next 10 years, those jobs, there's a demand of about 3.2 million new workers. So how do we make sure we're meeting that workforce need? And that's what this facility is all about.
Let me next turn my attention and introduce to you Mr. Vince Smith. Vince, I'm going to have you come up in just a second. Let me tell you a little bit about Vince. Vince retired in 2008 after a 40-year career in the petrochemical industry in Houston. And he's a member of the South Main Baptist Church, and for the last several years, he and his wife have been involved in one of the church's mission endeavors called Operación San Andres, or OSA. Now, what's interesting about that is that our very own retired Steve Horton, former dean here at San Jac, took a mission trip down there and worked with folks to build a little house. And what was it, 4x8 space, Steve?
9x16.
And he saw 9x16, so I was somewhere close. It's very small with an outside kitchen. And we showed the photos of that to our in-service, faculty in-service this last year, the campus in-service. And the thing was that Steve saw a big long line of people, and they were all standing in line to get eyeglasses. And as he was being introduced to a couple folks, they found out he was from San Jacinto College. It turns out the people in, help me out, Steve. Coike. We saw pictures of the shantytown in Lima, outside of Lima, Peru. It turns out they knew all about San Jacinto College, because our very own eye care program is going to be housed in this new building. Collects glasses and sends them down there so the people of Coike, Peru, can see. And not only is San Jac known in this region, folks, we're known all over the place. And it was quite surprising to our former dean on a personal trip to find out that he didn't get very far from San Jac after all.
This is just a collage of pictures from the mission site that your president mentioned, and on the back it says, this collage is presented to Deborah Clark and the eye care technology students and staff at San Jacinto College Central on the occasion of the grand opening of the health sciences expansion, February 8, 2012. This presentation is made by Operación San Andres in appreciation for the many hours of volunteer service you've donated for the preparation of used eyeglasses to be distributed by the OSA ministry in Coyique, Lima, Peru. These glasses have greatly improved the vision of many people who do not have the resources to pay for eye care. Thank you very much.
Perfect.
And don't worry,
Perfect.
blood will match the
All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll go ahead and cut it.